Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Billboard advertising company business. Suppose as the owner of Billboard advertising company, I use WhatsApp chatbot to share vacant location, pricing and booking details. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user sent a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Billboard advertising company business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want the details of vacant location for advertising. And you will see I'm getting the response. Hello, welcome to Skyline Billboards. Premium billboard advertising made easy. What would you like to do? Book a location, check pricing. Now simply I'm clicking book a location. After clicking book a location, you will see I'm getting another response. Here are some of our popular billboard locations: Highway Exit 21, Airport Road View. Now we have an Book Now button. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see I'm getting another response. Great, let's help you book a billboard. What's your full name? Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Thanks test user. What type of business or product are you advertising? Now simply I am typing my product name XYZ. After typing my product name, I am getting another response. Which location would you like to book? Now I am typing location Bhopal. After typing location, I am getting another response. How long would you like to add to run? Now I want for 2 weeks. So simply write 2 weeks. After typing 2 weeks, you will see I'm getting the response. Here's your booking summary: name, test user, business, location, duration. Now we have confirm button. Simply click on it. After clicking confirm button, I'm getting our last message. Your billboard ad request is confirmed. Test user. Our team will reach out to finalize your campaign. Thank you for choosing Skyline Billboards. So you will see I'm getting the responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section, which we have received on WhatsApp. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp Number. Now we have 2 options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have Contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chat flow. simply click on flows, and we want to create our new chat flow, click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your billboard advertising company business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords hello, hey, and so on. Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. If the user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we have a template section. With the help of template, we can also trigger our chatbot. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Hello, welcome to Skyline Billboards. Premium billboards advertising made easy. What would you like to do? Now we also add buttons. Book a location, check pricing. Now we connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write some message on it. If user clicking the check price button, then we will send our this message and simply connect check pricing button to this message. And you will see I'm using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. If user press book a location button, then we will send our this message. In this message, we also add a media button and simply upload the media which I already downloaded. And also add the caption. In this we also add book now button. Now we take another media button and simply upload the image and also enter the caption. Now we add book now button and simply save the flow. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a name from user and simply select the contact custom field, full name, also select the format, text format. Now connect book now button to this question box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask product details. Thanks $full name. What type of business or product are you advertising? And you will see I am using $sign. Why we use $sign? If user enter their name, the $sign replace their name with full name. Now we select the contact custom field, product. Also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this question box. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a location from user. Which location would you like to book? Now select the contact custom field, location. Also select the format, text format. Now simply connect this question box to this question box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a duration from user. How long would you like the ad to run? Now we select the contact custom field, duration. Also select the format, text format. Connect the question box to this box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Here's your booking summary, name, business, location, duration. Now we connect this question box to this message box. In this box, we also add confirm button. If user press this confirm button, then we will send our last message. Your billboard ad request is confirmed, $full name. Our team will reach out to finalize your campaign. Thank you for choosing Skyline Billboards, and simply connect this confirm button to this box. Now save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot for billboard advertising company business. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard. Now I am typing highway advertising. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Book a location, check pricing. Simply click on it. I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.